Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session, I have discussed what is object oriented program and features of the object oriented program. First of all, what is meant by object oriented program? Object oriented program. It is a new technology. It is a new technology. It is used to develop desktop and web applications. So, this type of these applications are flexible and security and portable, etc. In this concept, object oriented languages are example for Java, .NET, PHP and so on. These are all different types of languages, example for the object oriented program. And features of the object oriented program. What is the features of the object oriented program? In the object oriented program, some features are there. The one is the class, the another one is the object, the another one is the inheritance, next one polymorphism, next one data abstraction, next one encapsulation, the next one data binding, the next one message passing. These are some features of the object oriented programming system. One is the class, another one is the object, next inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction, encapsulation, data binding and message passing. In this feature, I have discussed what is meant by class, and after I have discussed the object. First of all, what is meant by class? What is meant by class? Class can contain it can contain some data and methods. Simply to say, class it is a building block of object oriented programming system, simply called for OOPS. Once I repeated, class it can contain some data and methods. Simply to say, class is a building block of object oriented programming system. The syntax of the class, we have declared the using of the keyword like CLASS class keyword, after we can give in the name of the class. We can open the parenthesis bracket, we have write the some statements or methods. Some statements or some methods, it can contain the class. This is the syntax of the class. We can write next concept is the what is meant by object. The second feature is the object oriented. The second feature is the object. Object is a runtime abilities. It is a runtime abilities. That means it can work at program execution time. It can work at program execution time. Class object can create only for class. We cannot declare any class, cannot create the object, cannot the possible to create a object. We must declare any one class, that class can be create of the object. The syntax of the object, you write the class name alias name, just like object name. New is the dynamical keyword creation of the memory. Write the constructor class name, we can open close bracket. This is the syntax of the object. We write the class name, the name of the object like is equal to new is the dynamically created the memory, the keyword is the new. After declare the class name, this is the constructor. Here declare the object.